Hello, David here. The project for today is diagnosing a space heater that doesn't heat space. Turn it on fan, turn on 1300 watt, turn it up to 1500 watt, turn the heat up. Nothing, the power light should be going on. No indication of power. Let me test my outlet. Yep, outlet's good because the vacuum works. Let's see what's going on inside. We're going to remove the back by removing the screws. There's 6 screws that go around the back. See what that says? Caution, risk of electric shock. Do not open. No user serviceable parts inside. I'll see about that. If you're the least bit nervous, you ought to take it into a professional. Make sure it's unplugged before you do anything. I think I see something already. Following the power cord. This is the safety switch. This little weight cuts off the power if the heater falls over. See, that wire's severed. That wire goes to that. See if I can repair that. You can see this connector just burned up on the end of this wire there. This end is very brittle. We cut it off. There we go, got some fresh wire there. I happen to have a pack of these solderless connectors. Picked one out of there, and it fits very snugly on the spade of that connection right there. Right by my finger there. So I'm just going to twist the end of this copper stranded wire and slip the end in there, and I got to crimp it with something. I don't have a crimping tool. See what I have in the garage. See if I can get by with these channel locks. Ugh. What happened? It slipped out. Good thing I got some more. Make sure that fits. Yeah, that's gonna fit. Get a good tight crimp there. Yeah, that looks secure. Got a shorter tether now. Can't really see what I'm doing. I guess I could peek in through the side here. Let's secure the back on there. Put some screws in there. I'm just going to put 2 screws in there. I just want to see if it's going to work. Okay, let's plug it in. Oh, I plugged the vacuum in. That's not going to do anything. Let's plug the heater in. Okay, that's fan. Heat off. Put on high wattage. Can you hear that? It's blowing heat. I'm going to consider this project a success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.